He is a horse, of course.
He looks like a horse. He's huge.
He's at the height, or standard for the height, and I think he's almost 60 pounds.
Is that the standard weight?
Yeah.
So he won something, didn't he?
Jack won. Yeah.
First place, or what?
Well, in the group for puppies, just for puppies, not the adults or anything.
So he's still in puppy shipping? Not. When does he move up to?
Well, now that he turned 9 months old on the 29th, so he's now in the 9 to 12 month class instead of the 6 to 9 month class. And then there's 9 to 12 and 12 to 18. And then after that, they go into the adult classes. But yeah, that should be as big as he gets. I mean, I think he's gonna fill out, you know, like get broad, and, but he shouldn't get any taller.
He looks like my cousin's dog. So it makes me wonder if that's what my cousin's dog is.
No, I think Pyrenees would be more prominent than Samoyed. People think he's a Great Pyrenees, but Great Pyrenees don't have erect ears.
I was gonna say, and he's got the thing around his face, like it gives him like a little shape. Which you can't tell that in the other one.
He's got a spitz tail. Pyrenees aren't supposed to have a tail like a spitz.
That looks like it would hurt.
What, his tail?
No, the way he's biting for the ball.
Oh, yeah, he's mean to her, but she grabs the side of his, where all that flesh is, and she just...
Looks like a pit bull trait, though, ain't it?
Yeah, she's a pity something.
She might be smaller, but she could probably take him down.